Good morning, grade 5 students. It's English time. Today, we will discuss another kind of figure of speech. So, you have already learned two, simile and metaphor. Today, we will discuss personification. I want to remind you students that figures of speech are used to make the story or the text more meaningful, more beautiful, and more interesting. So, what is personification? Personification is a figure of speech where human characteristics are attributed to a thing, an idea, or an animal. Inanimate objects are portrayed as if they have the ability to act like human beings. So, wow, this is amazing. Imagine in using personification, you can make clocks run, animals dance, and cats play the piano. This is one of the most used figure of speech. Okay? It is portraying things, animals, or ideas as if they have the ability to act like you. You dance, you sing, you study, you cry. Those things can only be done by human beings like you. So, how to write personification? Just like what I've said, this is one of the most used figure of speech. Okay? So, writers or authors, instead of saying the sun is shining, they write the sun is smiling at me. The sun doesn't have a face, so it can't smile. So, we have attributed human characteristic to the sun, which is not a human. Instead of saying the plants needs to be watered, you can write the plants are thirsty. Okay, so it's like the plants are begging for a drink. Instead of saying that it's going to rain, you can say the sky is crying again. Okay, and that is how we write personification. Okay, so let's take a look at these poems. Read. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon, the little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with spoon. Wow, there are so many personifications in this poem. Okay? The cat that can play the fiddle, the cow that can jump over the moon, and the laughing dog in the dish that ran away. Imagine the dish having legs. How about this one? Earth felt the wound in nature from her seat, sighing through all her works, gave signs of woe. So in this poem, the author gave the earth the ability to feel. It hurts. Okay? So these are examples of personification in action. Okay? So I will show you pictures and I want you to make your own personification. Okay? First, this is a ball pen. Make personification. So the ball pen is a tool for writing. It is a tool to express our emotions and feelings. So here's my take. The pen utters 1,000 words. Well, the pen doesn't have a mouth. It is a tool used by the writers to express their emotions and feelings. Okay, next picture. Tall trees. Okay, here's my example. The trees are tired from standing. When you look at these trees, They are like standing. Okay? They are like tall people staring at you. Okay, this next one. The dog is mad about the current news. So dogs can't read. And also they can't hold the newspaper like this. Okay, maybe the owner of the dog holds the newspaper. So this is personification because we portray the dog as if he can read. And that's it, students. That is how we write personification. I want you to answer exercise 1 and 2 on page 64.